For today's video, I'll be teaching you how to fix Windows Security Center service cannot be started. Let us start by opening the search bar below and search for Registry Editor and run it as administrator. Now open this folder, then click System and locate the folder Currentcontrolset and open it. Now click on the services and navigate a folder name and click it. Now on the right side, right-click on the Start and choose Modify. On the value data, change it to 2 and then click OK. Now restart your computer. And that's how simple and easy how to fix Windows Security Center service cannot be started. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.